Good evening everyone, very good evening Prem, good evening Meera, good evening Nishtha, good evening Ganga is not there today, good evening Tejas, good evening Omkar, Nidhi, good evening Ashma, good evening Shailesh, okay, good evening Krishna, Dhanvi, good evening Himanshu, Aradhya and Aradhya, good evening. Okay, so let us get started. Many of you I think have already You are already traveling for your RMS exams, right? Yes, I got to know you have already reached to Jabalpur. Tejas, I got to know that. कि आप already जबलपुर में आ गए हो. Okay. You are not going to Pune. Where is your exam center, Niyati? Okay, you are appearing for Sainik School, Pune. So you are not going? Okay, you are leaving tomorrow, Ashima. Okay. Yes, one day is there. Okay. It's also the name of the place where Tejas is staying. Okay, Ashima. Okay, so let us get started. And for those of you who are appearing for RMS, you have one day. Yes, one day is there. Okay, so utilize that well. Don't be scared. Don't be nervous. घबराने की कोई बात नहीं है. Okay, and you can do it. Yes, we will, Maitreya. Okay, we will have a class tomorrow. Okay. Okay, Omkar. Okay, everyone. So let us get started with the class. Okay, and quickly हम start करते हैं. No, not today. When Tejas came today, so आज मैं I was not there in our main head branch. I was in another branch. Okay, तो Tejas से इसलिए नहीं मिल पाए. Tomorrow Tejas will be visiting the center, so I'll meet him tomorrow. That's wonderful, Vikramaditya. Keep working hard, and our target, we will achieve it. You're scoring 258 now. Definitely, you keep the target for 300 out of 300. Definitely, you'll be scoring that. Okay? Okay. So, let us get started quickly with the today's class. Question number 1. An instrument used to measure the distance travelled by the vehicle. Which instrument is used to measure the distance travelled by the vehicle? Options are speedometer, odometer, barometer, gyrometer. Okay, Dhanvi has very quickly provided her the answer. Quickly everyone, provide your answers. Okay, so 11 of you have answered correctly here. What happened? Vikramaditya, you marked A. A कैसे correct होगा? Okay, the right answer we will have is B over here. Correct everyone. B is the right answer. Okay, so distance used to measure, device used to measure the distance travel of the vehicle. किसी भी vehicle ने कितना distance travel किया है, we can measure it with the help of the device. What is the device called? The device is called as odometer. Okay, what is that device called? The device is called as odometer. Next question, tsunami occurs due to, what are the causes of tsunami? Tsunami occurs due to underwater earthquake, it occurs due to underwater cyclone, underwater volcanic eruptions, or both A and C. What are the causes of tsunami? Tsunami के क्या causes हैं? That you have to keep in mind. Good evening, Jay. So if we will have a look, the right answer we have for the question over here is option D. Tsunami किसके कारण cause होगी? Tsunami happens due to underwater earthquake as well as due to volcanic eruption. So right answer we have is option D, both A and C. Next question after this. How many number of players are there in each team of football? How many players are there in each team of football? 10, 11, 12 or 9. How many players are there in each team of football? Football के हर टीम में कितने players होते हैं? 10, 11, 12 और 9. Okay, 12 of you answered correctly here. Number of players in each team of football is 11. कितने players होंगे? In each team of football we have 11 players. Okay, next one after this. Which of the following is a primary cause of water pollution? Which of the following is a primary cause of water pollution? Yes, underwater volcanoes are there. Okay, you remember we studied the name of, we discussed about one such volcano as well, Ashna. Underwater volcanoes are there. Okay, so let us have a look. What will be the right answer for the question? Which of the following is primary cause of water pollution? The right answer we have is option D, human activities, which is a primary cause of water pollution. The human activities are the main cause of water pollution. Which of the following is a clean and non-toxic fuels? Which of these is a clean and non-toxic fossil fuel? Clean fuel हम किसको कहते हैं? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, which is a clean and non-toxic fossil fuel. Okay. Here everyone, C is providing. Everyone is providing answer C. Let us have a look. What will be the answer? Clean and non-toxic fossil fuel. Correct everyone. 6 of you have marked D. Maitreya, Omkar, Nishtha, Jay, Bhargav, Meera. Have a look here. Clean and non-toxic fossil fuel क्या होगा? Option C. Natural gas, CNG is called as a clean fuel. CNG को हम क्या कहते हैं? CNG is referred to as a clean fuel. Next one after this, those who study earthquakes are called. The people who study earthquakes, what do we call them? Seismologists, geologists, astronomers or astrologists. What do we call them? Right, compressed natural gas. Good evening, Ganga. The people who study earthquake, what do we call such people? Okay, let us have a look. The people who study earthquake, what do we call them? The people are called as seismologists. उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? The people who study earthquake, they are called as seismologists. Next one, in which of the following state Garo, Khasi and Janshia tribes are located? In which of the following state Garo, Khasi and Janshia tribe is located? Garo, Khasi, Janshia tribe. It is in which state? Assam, Meghalaya, Madhya Pradesh. Garo, Khasi, Janshia tribes. This is very important. Tribal communities के लिए question आता है. And very important tribe is Garo, Khasi and Janshia tribe. Where it can be found? 8 of you mark correctly here. So everyone, you have to keep in mind Garo, Khasi, Janshia. It is a tribe of Meghalaya. It is a tribal community of Meghalaya. Garo, Khasi and Janshia. कहाँ का tribal community है? It is a tribal community of Meghalaya. So right answer you will have for the question is option B, Meghalaya. Garo, Khasi and Janshia tribes. Okay. The next one after this. Which state has the largest number of tribal people in India? Which state has the largest number of tribal population or tribal people in India? It is B, Nishtha. Last question के लिए मेघालय का ही tribal community है गारो, खासी, जनशिया. So you have to keep it in mind. The right answer for it will be B only. Okay. Okay. B here also for this question. Everyone is providing B as the answer. Okay. That is correct. Right answer क्या होगा? Which state has highest number of tribal people? So highest tribal population is there in the state of Madhya Pradesh. Okay. Madhya Pradesh के important tribes आप याद रखेंगे. Gond, Saharia, they are the important tribes of Madhya Pradesh. And the largest number of tribal people are in the state of Madhya Pradesh only. Question number 59. Timber is obtained from. Timber हम कहाँ से obtain करते हैं? Sal, teak, sagon. Timber is obtained from. Timber is obtained from. D you have marked correctly, Dhanvi. Where do we obtain timber from? Okay. So the right answer we will have for the question is ऑप्शन डी, टिम्बर कहाँ से ऑब्टेन होता है? टिम्बर इज ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम sal, teak and sagon. So right answer we have is option D, sal, teak and sagon. Next after this, seeds can be dispersed by wind, water, animal or all of these. Seeds किसके through dispersed होते हैं? Wind, water, animal or all of these. Seeds are dispersed by which of the method? There. Okay, once again everyone is providing D as the answer. Jaswin, Nitin, Dhanvi. Here also let us have a look. Correct, everyone has answered correctly. So आपको याद रखना है by all of them. Animal dispersed seeds के लिए the example you will keep in mind is xanthium seeds. Okay, for water, coconut seed. Okay, for wind, maple, arc. ओके आपको क्वेश्चन इसके लिए पूछा जा चुका है, सो यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड द सीड एंड द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ दैट सीड. नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 61, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग शुड बी प्रैक्टिस्ड टू प्रिवेंट rainfall, drought, earthquake, none of these. So why do we have to practice the rainwater harvesting? Why we have to practice the rainwater harvesting? Why should we practice it? To prevent rainfall, drought, earthquake or none of these. Okay, why A will be the answer, Nitin? Why have you marked A? A answer क्यों correct होगा यहाँ पे? Good. The right answer we will have here is B. Correct, Dhanvi. A answer नहीं होगा. Drought. Rainwater harvesting means to conserve or preserve the rainwater. Rainwater को save करना. Okay, to save rainwater, that is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting हमको क्यों practice करना चाहिए? Because it will prevent the conditions of drought. How it will prevent rainfall? Rainfall और rainwater harvesting का तो कोई relation ही नहीं है. Rainfall हो रहा है, rainfall में water आ रहा है, and you are preserving that water. You are harvesting that. That is rainwater harvesting. How is it associated with rainfall? How will it affect the rainfall? There is no logic in this, is there? No. Okay. Next after this you have to keep in mind question number 62. Taste buds are present on. Where are taste buds present? Tongue, cheeks, teeth or saliva. Baking is typing error here. Taste buds are present on tongue, cheeks, teeth and saliva. Okay, A everyone is providing here and A is the right answer for the question. Taste buds कहाँ पे present होते हैं? Taste buds are present on tongue. Taste buds कहाँ पर होते हैं? Taste buds are present on tongue. So all over the tongue the taste buds are present. Tongue के लिए आप याद रखेंगे tongue is muscular in nature. It is made up of muscles that you have to keep in mind. Okay, tongue. Okay, the next one after this. The process of storing rainwater and reusing it rather than allowing it to run off is called. The process of storing the rainwater and reusing it rather than allowing it to run off is called. What will be the right answer? Okay, everyone is marking B over here. So let us see what will be the right answer for the question. The right answer we will have for the question is rainwater harvesting. The process of storing rainwater and reusing it rather than allowing it to run off, उस process को हम क्या कहते हैं? It's called as rainwater harvesting. Next is the basis of classification of resources. आज हमारे पास natural resources हैं. On what basis we have classified the natural resources? What is the basis of classification of natural resources? Level of development of use, origin, stock and distribution. Okay, now is it audible clearly? My voice abhi clear hai? What will be the right answer? Quickly provide your answers. Okay, no Dhanvi, not only C. Okay, let us have a look. What will be the correct answer here? D, all of these. हमने इन सभी basis पे natural resources को classify किया है. On the basis of origin, we have classified them. On the basis of stocks, we have classified them exhaustible, inexhaustible. On the basis of its development and uses, we have classified them. So right answer would be all of these. What will be the correct answer for question? All of these. Next one, dormant volcanoes are also called. Dormant volcanoes को हम और क्या कहते हैं? Dormant volcanoes are also known by the name of. Meaning of option C, let me see. Stock and distribution मतलब वो किस amount में present है आशिमा. That is the meaning of option C. Like जो unlimited stock में होते हैं we call them inexhaustible, and the ones which are present in a limited amount we call them exhaustible. So on that basis we have classified it. Okay. So the question is, dormant volcanoes are also called dangerous. No, D बिल्कुल नहीं आंसर होगा यहाँ पे. Okay. Dormant volcanoes are also called as sleeping volcanoes. They are active. वो active हैं but for a particular point of time. Okay, वो अभी active नहीं है. They are not under the stage of eruption. So the dormant volcanoes, they are also known by the name of sleeping volcanoes. उन्हीं को हम क्या कहते हैं? उन्हीं के लिए हम use करते हैं term sleeping volcano. Next one after this, Ghumar is a folk dance of. Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? किस state का dance है Ghumar? Okay, it's there in your SST book. Correct. Nitin, Dhanvi, quickly mark your answers everyone. Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? Ghumar किस state का folk dance है? Correct. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. Rajasthan के लिए 2 dances याद रखना है हमको, Ghumar and Kalbelia dance. So you have to keep in mind Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. Next one, what is the ratio of width to length of national flag? What is the ratio of width to length of national flag? National flag का width to length ratio क्या होगा? Good. अभी हमने इसको recently भी discuss किया था. Okay. So B. Okay. Very good. You are providing B. Nitin, Dhanvi, Krishna, have a look. What will be the right answer for the question? The ratio of length, width to length. Width to length. 2:3. Length is always in the ratio of 3. So right answer would be option B, 2:3. Okay. Next question. For preservation of food, blank is used. ये जो आपको 4 options दिए गए हैं, ethyl alcohol, phenol, sodium benzoate, and none of these among them, which of the following is commonly used as a food preservative? किसको हम commonly food preservative के form में use करते हैं? That you have to provide as the answer. What will be the food preservative? Okay. C, you are providing the answer. Let us have a look over here. What will be the right answer for the question? The correct answer we will have is sodium benzoate. Okay. Food preservation के लिए क्या हम use करते हैं? We use sodium benzoate. ओके. सो मार्केट बेस्ड जो भी पिकल होता है उसमें सोडियम बेंजोएट ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट होता है, तो हम कहते हैं कंटिन्यूसली इफ यू विल यूज द मार्केट पिकल, तो गले में हमको होता है समटाइम्स वी हैव पेन इन द थ्रोट एंड ऑल सच ट्रबल्स, दैट इज ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ सोडियम बेंजोएट इन द मार्केट बेस्ड पिकल्स. तो प्रिजर्वेटिव में वन नेम इज सोडियम बेंजोएट, vinegar. These two preservatives you have to keep in mind. They too are the chemical preservatives of food. Okay. In the method of salting हम कौन सा preservative use करते हैं? We use salt. Okay. So salting भी आप याद रखेंगे. Preservation by salt is called as salting. The next question after this, a device used to measure the low temperature. A device used to measure extremely low temperature. What do we call the device? Nishan, do not tell the answers before the question is started. Okay. D, everyone is providing. Okay. The device used to measure the extremely low temperature. Extremely low temperature के लिए हम कौन सा device use करेंगे? Correct, everyone. 15 of you have answered correctly. So device used to measure extremely low temperature is cryometer. कौन सा device आप use करते हैं? Cryometer. Okay. The next device after this, smoke from wood contain. Wood से जो smoke release होती है, what does the smoke contain? It is again a question from your food topic only. Okay. It is the question from food only. Wood from smoke, what does it contain? Wood from smoke, what it will contain? Microbial gases, antimicrobial compounds, no compounds at all, or deadly gases. Okay, 8 of you answered correctly here. Wood के through जो smoke produce होता है, it contain antimicrobial compounds. Due to the presence of antimicrobial compounds, it is used for preservation of fishes. Fishes के preservation में in the old times the smoking method was used, and the method of using smoke for preservation, the method is called as smoking. This also you have to keep in mind. Yes, we have studied it. The next one, what are the conditions necessary for germination of seed? What are the conditions required for the germination of seed? Which conditions are required? Okay, water, sunlight and temperature. Water, sunlight as well as temperature. Which condition is required here? Okay, you are answering D, Dhanvi. Okay. Everyone almost is answering correctly over here. The right answer we will have for the question is option D. All of these are required. क्या क्या हमको required होगा? We need water, we need sunlight, we need temperature. Appropriate temperature हमको required होगा for seed germination. So right answer we will have for the question is option D. The next one, Cristiano Ronaldo is associated with which sport? For very many of you, this is going to be a very favorite question, no? Cristiano Ronaldo is associated with which sport? Football, basketball, golf or volleyball? Look, I told you, and Nitin is also saying it there. Good. Cristiano Ronaldo is associated with which sport? And everyone will answer for the question really quickly, I know. Pragya and Meera, how come it will be basketball? Cristiano Ronaldo is associated with football. Okay, he is a football player. He is from which country? Quickly, he is from which country? Cristiano Ronaldo is from which country? Portugal, correct. Okay, he is from Portugal. Very good. Next one, which one is a process in which water changes into vapors in atmosphere? In which process water changes into vapors in atmosphere? Water से vapors बनने का process जो होता है, okay? What is that process called? For Lionel Messi, correct. It would be Argentina, right? Okay, good. 17 of you answered correctly here. So, which one process in which water changes into water vapor? So, liquid water से जब water vapors में convert होता है, what is that process called? The process is called as evaporation. Okay, what is the process called? Evaporation. And steps of water cycle भी हमने study किए थे, ECPC. Okay. Evaporation, condensation, precipitation and collection. These you have to keep in mind. Next one, CNG is, what is the full form of CNG? Compressed natural gas, compressed neutral gasoline, compressed natural gasoline, compressed neutral gas. What do we mean by CNG? What is the full form of CNG? Yes, see, everyone is providing the answer and it is a correct answer. CNG का full form क्या होता है? CNG stands for compressed natural gas. What is the full form for CNG? Compressed natural gas. Okay, so the right answer we will have for the question is compressed natural gas. Next is, which of the following is the national bird of India? Which is the national bird of India? Peacock, kingfisher, bald eagle or parrot? Which is a national bird of India? A very simple question, yes. Okay, so this is a very basic question and we will be discussing it very soon. So national bird of India, all of us know. The right answer for this is peacock. Peacock is the national bird of India. Next is Emmanuel Macron is the president of which European country? Emmanuel Macron is the president of which European country? किस यूरोपियन कंट्री के प्रेसिडेंट है Emmanuel Macron? Yes, Krishna correctly said. It's Kendriya Vidyalaya Foundation Day today. No, a very happy Kendriya Vidyalaya Foundation Day to everyone. Kendriya Vidyalaya completed 60 years, right? So it's Kendriya Vidyalaya Foundation Day today. Good, correct, you remember it. Okay, so okay, yes, sorry, the voice was not there. Now it is there. Now I am audible. Now I am properly audible. Okay, yes, so right answer is Emmanuel Macron is the president of France. Okay, yes, I know you, Meera and Nishan also studies in KV, no? And here Krishna studies in KV. Okay, that's good. Okay, so next after this, who is the author of the book Wings of Fire? Who is the author of the book Wings of Fire? Wings of Fire के author कौन है? Okay, you as well, Dhanvi and Rishan. Okay, you are also from KV. Wings of Fire. Who is the author of Wings of Fire? So this is a very important book. So right answer we have for this is Ashma. No, not A. This is not a book of Shashi Tharoor. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is the author of Wings of Fire. Okay, तो Wings of Fire किसकी बुक है? आपको याद रखना है, डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम, उनकी बुक है Wings of Fire. Okay, the next question we have after this. Atacama Desert is in which continent? Atacama Desert is in which continent? Quickly provide your answers. We have discussed this. If you remember, हमने एक geography की Sunday बहुत बड़ी class हुई थी. In that, I think वो 3 hours class चली थी. In that we discussed about the Atacama Desert. We skipped 78th question. Okay, we will take that after this one. Atacama Desert. Okay, you had 12 of you answered correctly here. What was going to be the right answer? South America. Okay, where is Atacama Desert? Atacama Desert is in South America. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, you are traveling from for the RMS exam. Okay, Ustad. Okay, correct, Maitriya. That is the right answer. Next one is the world's longest migration done by any bird or animal in the world is. World's longest migration. Which bird does the world's longest migration? Which bird performs the world's longest migration? Correct. Many of you answered correctly here. तो right answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Arctic tern, which is a bird. Okay, Arctic tern performs the longest migration in the world. Okay, so right answer you will have is option A. Next is, which is the smallest bone in the human body? Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Okay. Yes, the answer of the question 80 was option A. Okay, where is your center, Nishan? It is in Mumbai only, or you have to travel to Pune? Okay, 9 of you answered correctly here. Pune you have to travel. Okay, it's close to Mumbai, so yes, you can leave tomorrow. The smallest bone in the human body is stapes. Smallest bone क्या होगी human body में? Stapes, that is present in ear. Okay, so stapes you have to keep in mind, it's present in ear. The next question after this, River Nile flows through how many countries? River Nile flows through how many countries? Okay, so mark your answers, everyone. You are leaving tomorrow. Okay, Pragya. Your center is in Jabalpur or it's in Bhopal? Where is your center? River Nile. C. Okay. It passes through how many countries? Okay, so everyone has a lot of different answers. Some answered C, some answered B. Okay, तो आपको याद रखना है, River Nile passes through how many countries? It passes through a total of 11 countries. Why 13? Why so many of you are saying C? 13 क्यों होगा? The right answer is 11. So write it. River Nile passes through the 11 countries, not 10. Ashrama, why not take you? नहीं pass होती है 10 से, it passes through 11 one. Okay, so there is no explanation for it because it's not a science based question. So 11. Okay, okay, your center is in Ajmer and for Pragya it is in Bhopal. Okay, next one, when is World Heritage Day? When do we celebrate World Heritage Day? Question number 83 we are solving. When do we celebrate World Heritage Day? Okay, Nishtha, yours is in Meerut. For Bhargav it's in Bangalore only. Okay. Okay, Krishna. Okay, so World Heritage Day, correct, we celebrate every year on 18th of April, है ना? Every year हम 18th of April को World Heritage Day observe करते हैं. So right answer you will have for the question is option A, World Heritage Day. Okay, Pranjal, now you can solve the question and practice the questions here. World Heritage Day. Next is, which two rivers combine at Dev Prayag to form Ganga? ये तो इतनी बार हो गया that सबको याद हो गया होगा. Which two rivers are there? Which two rivers combine to form Ganga river? है ना? Yes, which two rivers combine to form river Ganga? Quickly, tell your answers. Bhagirathi, Yamuna, Alaknanda, Bhagirathi, Bhagirathi, Kaveri, Alaknanda and Yamuna. Good, correct everyone. So Prem, you have to keep in mind here that Alaknanda and Bhagirathi, which two rivers combine at Dev Prayag? Alaknanda and Bhagirathi to originate as Ganga. B is the right answer. Okay, and how many total Prayag are there? We discussed about them, not including Prayagraj. Prayagraj को छोड़ के भी हमने discuss किया था. Total how many Prayag are there? 3, no, not 4, 5. Correct, Jayesh. Very good. Dev Prayag, Vishnu Prayag, Rudra Prayag. We also have Rudra in our class. So total number of Prayag are 5. 5 Prayag are there. Good. Okay. Next one after that. And where is Mount Vesuvius located? The next question. Where is Mount Vesuvius located. Got the answer for this one, everyone? Okay. France, Italy, Spain, Greece. It is, if you remember, we discussed this in natural calamities, volcanoes में हम study करते हैं. Okay. I think Ashima and Nishan have very diligently solved the mock test क्योंकि इनको सारे answers बन रहे हैं. So that indicates that you people have solved the paper very diligently, है ना? That indicates. So it's in Italy. It is an example of volcano. Volcano में हम study करते हैं यहाँ पे, ठीक है? The next question after this. Mahatma Gandhi is called as. Mahatma Gandhi is called as father of nation, Rashtrapita, both or none. Mahatma Gandhi is called as father of nation, Rashtrapita, both or none. Okay, so we'll be summing up the poll here. Let us see. Okay, only 7 of you have answered. But father of nation is correct, but father of nation को हिंदी में हम क्या कहते हैं? राष्ट्रपिता. So right answer would be option D. What will be the correct answer here? Okay, option D you have to keep in mind, because when we are saying father of nation, so for father of nation only we use the term Rashtrapita. So in Hindi we call it Rashtrapita. So you have to keep this in mind. The right answer you'll have is option C. Next question. Name a folk dance of Assam. Name a folk dance of Assam. Which of the following is a folk dance of Assam? Sainik school entrance exam is on 21st of January. Okay, it is on 21st of January. Good. 14 of you answered correctly here. क्या आंसर होगा इसके लिए? बिहू. Okay, folk dance of Assam हम याद रखेंगे. बिहू. Bamboo dance is for Nagaland. Okay. Next is, which one of the following is a heavy metal? Or name one heavy metal. Which one of them is a heavy metal? Nagaland was correct answer here. Which one of these is a example of heavy metal? Okay, let us have a look. D is the right. No, not D. D answer नहीं होगा बेटा. B is the correct answer here. Okay, तो याद रखेंगे. Which one is a heavy metal? Mercury is a heavy metal. So correct answer we will have is option B, mercury. Mercury को हम indicate करते हैं Hg से. It is the only liquid metal at room temperature. Room temperature पे only metal that is in the liquid form, that is this one. Okay. Yes, it is liquid at room temperature. Okay. Next is, which is the fourth planet in the solar system? Which is the fourth planet in the solar system? Which is the fourth planet in solar system? Okay. बेटा फोर्थ प्लैनेट इज आस्किंग, तो आप लोग डी क्यों मार्क करें? फोर्थ प्लैनेट क्या होगा? डी तो अर्थ है. अर्थ इज द थर्ड प्लैनेट. अर्थ कौन सा प्लैनेट है? अर्थ इज द थर्ड प्लैनेट. फोर्थ प्लैनेट क्या होगा? मरकरी, वीनस, अर्थ, मार्स. व्हाट इज द फोर्थ प्लैनेट? मार्स इज द फोर्थ प्लैनेट. सो राइट आंसर यू विल हैव इज ऑप्शन बी, मार्स. नेक्स्ट इज 30 January is celebrated, not celebrated as, sorry, celebrated is a very wrong term here. Question होगा 30th of January is observed as or is marked as. 30th of January को हम कौन सा डे ऑब्जर्व करते हैं? विच डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड ऑन द 30th of January? मार्टर्स डे, यूनिटी डे, प्रवासी भारतीय दिवस और नन ऑफ दीज. विच डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड? Okay, remember this, Martyrs Day. Okay, 30th of January को every year हम कौन सा day observe करते हैं? Martyrs Day is observed every year. Next after this, name the largest river in the world. Which is the largest river in the world? Amazon, Ganga, Nile or Narmada? Which is the largest river in the world? Amazon, Nile, Ganga or Narmada? Okay, what will be the answer here? No, C answer नहीं होगा. Nile is the longest. Which is longest? Amazon is longest or Nile is longest? Which is the longest? Amazon or Nile? Tejas, before answering, answer my question. Longest river कौन सा है? Nile. And largest कौन सा है? Which is the largest? Amazon. Good. Okay, so you have to keep in mind the longest is Nile and the largest is Amazon. तो question था largest के लिए, so the answer would be Amazon. Next is, where is Gir National Park located? Where is Gir National Park located? Do not spam. Prem. Where is Gir National Park located? Yes बेटा, आपको याद रखना है ये, that Nile is the longest and Amazon is the largest. Next question, where is Gir National Park located? How come you marked incorrectly, Ashima? Gir is in Gujarat, Gir National Park. Okay, where is Gir National Park? It's in Gujarat. Okay, next is, which animal can live without drinking water for many days? This kind of question was asked in Sainik school entrance exam. Which animal can live without drinking water for many days? Okay, let us have a look here. Okay, good. So यहाँ तो सभी ने correct answer किया है. Camel is the animal that can live without drinking water for many days. So right answer we will have is option B. Okay. The next question, a tree which grows in desert. Which tree will grow in desert? Name a tree that grows in desert. Eucalyptus, cactus, sycamore or none of these. Which tree will grow in desert? Good, 15. Everyone answered correctly here. The cactus tree. Okay, the tree that will grow in desert is option B, cactus tree. Okay, Delhi is situated on the banks of which river? किस river के bank पे situated है Delhi? Delhi is situated on the banks of which river? And this is also in the very much news because the same river is very much polluted. Okay, so you have to answer. Delhi is located on the banks of which river? Good, 15 of you answered correctly. Nishan, you answered really in 0 seconds. Good. Okay, and have a look over here. This question is important. So Delhi is situated on the banks of which river? Delhi is situated on the banks of river Yamuna. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आफ्टर दिस, व्हाट इज द नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया? सो सिंपली हम यहीं पे सॉल्व कर लेते हैं. व्हाट इज द नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया? द नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया इज मैंगो. मैंगो इज द नेशनल फ्रूट ऑफ इंडिया. नेशनल वेजिटेबल के लिए आएगा, सो पम्पकिन इज द नेशनल वेजिटेबल इन ऑफ इंडिया. नेक्स्ट इज, which city is also called as Pearl City of India? Which city is also called as the Pearl City of India? Hyderabad, Chennai, Jaipur, Delhi. Which city is also called the Pearl City of India? What will be the right answer here? Good, Hyderabad. Correctly answered, Dhanvi. Pearl City of India. Right answer क्या होगा यहाँ पे? Hyderabad is called as the Pearl City of India. Pearl City of India हम किसको कहते हैं? Hyderabad. Victoria Memorial is located in which city? Victoria Memorial is located in which city? Victoria Memorial is located in which city? Good. Let's have a look. D. Everyone is answering correctly here. Okay, Dhanvi, you live in Hyderabad. Good. So Victoria Memorial is located where? Victoria Memorial is located in Kolkata. Name one famous crop of Assam, which is a very, very famous crop of Assam. Which is a famous crop of Assam? Tea, correct, right? Quickly mark your answers, everyone. Which is a famous crop of Assam? Assam chai, Assam tea. Tea is very famous from Assam. Coffee. Who is the major producer of coffee in India? Which state is the major producer of coffee in India? Not UP. No. Major producer of coffee. Karnataka. Very good, Prem. Okay, the major producer of coffee is Karnataka. So you have to keep this in mind. Okay. You have seen the tea garden. Yes, you used to live in Assam, right? Or I think आप अभी असम में रहते हो अनुष्का, या पहले रहते थे, something like that. Yeah. Okay. Yes, I remember. आपने बताया था एक बार. Okay, so no need to be tensed, Maitreya. ठीक है. सबसे पहले तो you have to keep this belief in yourself that जितना आपने पढ़ा है that is sufficient. कोई नई information अब gain नहीं करनी है, कुछ नया नहीं पढ़ना है, और इसके साथ बहुत ही काम रहना है. Nothing will come by being tensed, है ना? Nothing would be there by being tensed, or nothing would be there by being stressed. Okay? Yes, tomorrow class will be there. Okay? It will be from 8 o'clock though. Tensed means परेशान होना, चिंता में होना. Okay? Major producer. That means, okay? It means major producer. Okay. Tomorrow the class will be at 8 o'clock. Okay, so you can join at 8. On Saturday the class will be at 8, and on rest days it will be at 7. Okay, so we'll be summing it up. So bye everyone, good night, all the best for everyone who is appearing for the RMS exam on Sunday. So all the very best.